In this video, you'll learn how to add hover animation to text in Webflow. By following these steps, you will create engaging text effects that enhance user interaction on your website. Begin by navigating to your Webflow project. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for your Webflow dashboard. Once the page loads, find and select your project titled Shangri-La's Top-Notch Site. This action will take you to the project interface where you can make edits. Next, look for the Interactions tab located on the right side of the screen. Click on this tab to open the Interactions panel. This panel allows you to create animations and interactions for various elements in your project. After that, locate the button labeled Trigger within the Interactions panel. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you will find several options for setting up different types of interactions. Once this drop-down appears, select the option labeled Hover. This selection indicates that you want to create an animation that occurs when a user hovers over a specific text element. The interface will update to show options related. Now click on the button labeled Add an Action, which is found below the hover trigger settings. This button allows you to specify what action should happen during the hover event. A new menu will appear with various animation options. Next, choose the Animate option from the list of actions displayed. This selection will open a new dialog where you can customize the animation properties. You can adjust settings like duration, easing, and specific animations that will take effect when the text is hovered over. After configuring your animation, ensure that you save your changes. Look for the Save icon or button, usually located at the top right corner of the interface. Clicking this will confirm that your hover animation settings are stored successfully. Finally, preview your changes by clicking the Preview button located in the upper left of your project interface. This action will allow you to see how the text reacts to hover in real time. Make sure to test the hover effect to verify it works as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.